Hello, I'm Mark. Welcome to my channel. I'm out in nature and I invite you to move with me. In 10 minutes or less, we're going to try to shift our state. And whatever state you're in, let's make it a smidge better with some movement. Number one, separating the clouds. We're going to exhale on the way down, separating the clouds. All right. We're going to put our feet like this, about shoulder width apart. And then we're going to bend over and we're going to grab some clouds. And like we're pulling off, like you're pulling off a shirt, this movement. And we're just going to separate out the clouds. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. I'll show you from the side view here. Exhale. I'm bending my knees a little bit, softening the knees. Go as far as you're comfortable. And then just like that fun, be playful, like you're a little kid just ripping off their clothes. And then you notice, wow, there's a sky with clouds. It's amazing. And then exhale. All of nature exhales and inhales. There's activity, and then there's rest. I'm next to this water here. There's evaporation, and then the clouds get pregnant with water, and then there's rain. Separating the clouds. Grabbing some clouds. Separating the clouds. We'll do a couple more. As you notice tension in your body, as your mind is drawn to places that are tense, we'll stop right here. I notice tension in my shoulders, in my butt, in my back. I just invite all tension to release as I exhale down. Let the tension go right out like this little stream at the bottom of the waterfall. I'm making room for vitality. I invite vitality to move in. One more. Exhale. As we breathe in, we're just drawing in all of nature's vitality. Next card. Rowing the boat in the center of the lake. We're going to exhale on the way forward and down. Feet, again, about shoulder width apart. And then I'm going to show you the body part, then we'll add the arms. We're going to come down. I'm bending right here. Carefully. I have issues with bending, so if you do, just be careful with your bend. Then we're going to bend our knees. We're going to, like I'm sitting, I'm going to go start sitting. And that as far as you is comfortable, and then we're going to stand. Now we're going to add the arms. Rowing out, exhaling. We're rowing the boat at the center of the lake. Imagine the water is just mirror calm. I look forward to watching this video in the night when I'm up in the night and I'm struggling. I'm gonna put this waterfall video on and participate with these moves. Help prepare me for sleep. I filmed at this waterfall a couple weeks ago and I was talking so loud because the waterfall is so loud. It sounded like I was screaming and I couldn't use the video. I'm my own comedy act. Exhale. Bring it up. That's all I can do with that one. That's taxing on my, but also builds your core muscles. All right. Lifting a ball. You inhale as you twist outward. So we got a ball in each hand. And my feet are going to be like this, a little about shoulder width apart. And as I go, so we're going to do the legs, the breathing, and then the arms. So we're inhale, and I'm going to fold right here and weight shift. Get up on one toe, if you can. If not, just go this far. If you're feeling brave, get up on a toe. I'm folding here, getting up on one toe, and then coming back. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we're going to add the balls. It's called lifting ball. So I got a ball, and I'm just going to lift it up. This other hand's going behind me. I'm hiding the ball from myself and lifting ball. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, weight shift, up on a toe, exhale. This move basically gets all the tissues in my body, and as you participate with this, feel that feeling of the center is getting squeezed, and it's a massage. All your spine is getting twisted gently, and all your organs are getting massaged, and as you breathe in, you're filling this cavity and adding pressure. So here we go. Lifting ball. Inhale. Exhale. Again, as we notice tension that's unnecessary to this move, I'll invite it to just go down this waterfall. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. I'm so grateful to have found this waterfall. It's near my home. It doesn't require a lot of travel. And I love that a friend shared it with me. This morning, another friend shared a poem with me called Movement in Stillness. Stillness in movement. And I invite you to feel that in your own body. There's a kind of a stillness, especially being by a waterfall. I'll be quiet and just do this move with the ball. You do it with me and allow the waterfall to heal us both. All right, I'm feeling a pain in my ankle and my foot, so I'm just gonna, if you have extra pains, you can just shorten the move out a little bit and don't lift up on your toes. Exhale. And just adjust the parameters to fit what's going on with you here and now. And if you're feeling robust and well balanced, go up on one toe. Have fun with it. If you're feeling all timid, yeah, be a little closer together. Let's do our closing move. Thank you for joining me for a little healing along with this amazing waterfall. Blessings.